Here we have our patient list that you can select a particular patient. Here we have this particular patient selected. We click once, patient's name is highlighted in blue, which also down in the series list will give us descriptions. Here automatically the image 512 is selected. That's 512 slices. We've got a scroller bar over here. We can scroll to the right and we can scroll all the way from the lower mandible to the upper views of the sinus with the lower maxillary sinus floor back here in the preview window. If we want to just load, let's say, a pano image, we can click it once for image 1. This is the pano. We click load and it'll load it to the full screen. Or if we want to load all of the study, we can just click on the 512, double click and load, which we will in a moment. Here we have a search list. You can click by the patient's name, type in the first 3 letters of a last name, and you can hit update patient list and it will update the list for you. And that's how you can find a particular patient. Or you can just scroll on the list and find the patient. Now again, to load up, we just highlight the 512, double click or hit load, either one, and you can see it just takes a few seconds to load up. And once it is completely loaded, you will see in the upper right hand corner a 3D image, 3D, which you can rotate. You have the axial, coronal, and sagittal screens, which you can slice through and manipulate your crossbars. And also, we will talk about getting different window levels here with tooth 1, 2, bone, or soft. We'll get into these features in another little segment.